Come! Andito na naman tayo sa kusina ako at magluluto tayo ng magmamarinate tayo ng chicken. Chicken inasal ba to o barbecue? Kayo na lang ang magsabi at matitikman nyo ito. Salamat pala sa mga pagsuporta ng YouTube channel ko. Sana ay magustuhan nyo lahat ng mga niluto ko. At gagalingan ko pa ang pagluluto at panoorin nyo ito. Makikita nyo ang lahat ng mga ingredient ko. Ito ang mga ingredient ko. Yan, mag-chop na tayo ng onion. I have onion. Chop the onion, slice it. I have one only. And I have a ginger. Slice the ginger. It's like a julienne style. So just prepare it. And I have lemon. I'll cut it already just to prepare. I have garlic. I chop the garlic. It doesn't matter how big is it. We're gonna marinate it. And we have lemongrass. And we'll put everything now on one tray. Yes. Put the bay leaves and lemongrass. And squeeze the lemon juice. Okay. Yes, squeeze the lemon juice. And more lemon juice. Yes, then more lemon juice. And then slice a little lemon. Just put it inside to make the aroma. Okay. And now we'll put the soya sauce in there. I put 2 cups of soya sauce. 2 cups for the 4 pounds of chicken, I think, yeah. So it depends how many your chicken is and how big is your chicken. Then we put the oyster sauce in there. And then I got the pepper. Just put 1 spoon of pepper and a little bit of ground red chili. I just put a little bit just to beat the taste. If you want more spicy, you can put more. But I put just a half spoonful. Then I put sugar. I put 4 small spoon of sugar. Then I put vinegar. It's like one spoon cup vinegar. I use apple cider, so it's more taste. Now our marination is complete. Now what I have to do is I put the gloves on and we'll just mix it everything. Just mix it everything. See what I'm doing? I'm just mixing all the ingredients. Yan, na-mix na natin maigi at dalhin natin yung chicken. Ilagay natin yung ang mix preparation natin, yung marination. Yeah, at least i-marinate natin siya ng mga 3 hours or overnight. Okay? Yan, lagyan natin ng marination. Buhos natin siya lahat at i-mix natin siya. Yan, lagyan natin yung iba pang ingredients sa loob at i-marinate natin siya ng 3 hours to overnight para masarap siya, mas kapit-kapit yung lasa niya. So the taste will be there. Okay? So yan, ilagay na natin siya sa loob. Ayan, buhos na natin siya sa loob. Marinate natin ng mga overnight, at least 3 hours or overnight. It depends. Pero sa akin, for me, it's overnight, so it will taste more. Yeah, it will taste more tasty. You know, yeah. Just mix it there. Yeah, like that. Then, yan, mix na natin siya. Yan, meron akong gloves, so I mix it. So, I want to be sure that the marination will go inside of the chicken. So just spread all the marination, the onion, the garlic, soya sauce, the oyster sauce, salt and pepper, lemon. So marinate it. Just massage a little bit the chicken. Yeah, continuing marination, and we'll put it in the fridge. Just cover it, and we'll put it on the fridge for 3 to overnight, as you wish. Yeah, now it's ready to go to the fridge, and marination start. So we start frying now with olive oil. So I fry the other one, and I have my grilled skillet, and I have my chicken skin. You know, don't throw it, because we will put some annatto seeds. You know, annatto seeds, aswete in Tagalog. So I put some aswete on the chicken skin and chicken parts. We'll make it as like a sauce, you know. Yes, we will brush it to the chicken, so it will get a nice color. So I do like this, and yeah, to get the juice of the aswete or the annatto seeds. Now I have my chicken frying now. I make it one side brown with my skillet. You know, I use the skillet because I don't have a grill. So kung wala kayong charcoal or grill sa labas, skillet is a good choice. So yeah, put in the skillet, and it will get your color and taste. So you look at that, beautiful color. So now it's ready. Now it's almost ready. I just fry it a little bit both sides, and we'll put this on the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So be sure to cook inside. You know, just bake it. Yes. Now it's ready to go on the oven. Let's put it in the oven. Now it's ready to go to the oven. Let's put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and just cover it with aluminum foil. Okay. First we have to brush it with the annatto seeds. So I have my annatto seeds here ready. Just put the annatto seed, so it will get you a nice color. See. So just put some annatto seed marination, yeah. So you get a good color on the before you put it in the oven. Okay, let's go. It's ready. So start to cover it and put it in the oven for over 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, now it's ready. Let's see and eat now. Beautiful grilled chicken. Not barbecue, not inasal. This is my version of chicken grill. mga ka-YouTuber, eto na yung ating grilled chicken. I call it grilled chicken. Hindi to inasal, hindi to barbecue. Okay? Tikman natin siya. Sarap. Thank you for watching. This is my grilled chicken. Hindi to inasal o hindi to barbecue. Ang sarap. Tikman na natin. So, here our chicken and let's eat now. Very, very sarap and masarap. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jerry 89 TV.